YouTube? It's Danny, back with another video. Let's just get into it. So today, I've got the Razer Nommo Chroma speakers for gaming PCs, and yes, they are RGB, which is, you know, I'm a sucker for RGB. And I'm a sucker for Razer products. I think it's no secret at this point that I am a Razer fanboy. Sorry to all you Corsair fans out there. I like Corsair, don't get me wrong, but I, at the end of the day, prefer Razer. That's just how I am. You've seen my setup. It's all Razer, with the exception of one Corsair headphone stand, which is over there on the iMac, but everything else on the gaming PC is Razer. So, a little bit about these. They've got custom woven glass fiber material, 3-inch drivers with apparently a decent amount of bass. It's got a built-in DAC in the right speaker, which is great. It is gaming focused for positional accuracy, but the thing is, I probably won't be using these for gaming much. These will be more for like watching videos and listening to music, because when I game, I usually game with a headset. Suction equipped bass, rear facing bass ports. It's got the bass knob with automatic gain control. That's part of the DAC that's built in. And it's powered by Razer Chroma, which is the software, Razer Synapse and stuff like that. So you can do like the wave and everything else RGB like you do with all the other RGB products. So, and I will show you that in a second, but right now we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, and then I'm gonna set them up. So, setting the box on the ground because it's not exactly easy to open because of the size of the box, honestly. So, I will pull these out and show you. These are a lot bigger than I thought they'd be. Alright, I'm just going to show you one before I hook them up, and then I'll show you what they're going hooked up. So here is the left speaker, which doesn't have the DAC on it. Honestly, it's pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. Let me pull the bubble wrap off. There we go. It's got the Razer branding on the side, which is nice. There's the back. Razer on that side too, I think, on both sides. No, just one. Okay, yeah, so this is the left speaker. So, because the logos go on the outside. So yeah, there's the left. I will open up the right. I'm gonna set it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So, be right back after the jump. Real quick, little box in there too. Here's the little brochure they give you. Looks like a power converter thing for the power cable. Here's a little auxiliary cable they give you, which is going to come in handy, obviously, as well as the power brick. So, yeah. All right, time to set it up. So as you can tell, they sound really, really good. They shake the walls a little bit. Not overwhelming with bass, but definitely bass there. Let me see if it's all turned up all the way. I think it is. Yeah, it's all the way up. And you can turn it down too with the bass knob. So. Not so much, and then there's all of it. You know me, I'm gonna have it all the way up, so. But yeah. I will link these below if you want a pair for yourself. It goes great, obviously. The RGB goes with everything else. It looks so good, guys. and it uses the Synapse software. So, very nice. So there you go. I'll link it below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.